Newsflash. Me get me 10 reasons why Jamaican run so fast cookbook. Thanks to Amazing Grace. Locks me Charlie come quicker than me barrel. Yes. Me love the book. Me just looked through it like a while ago and me love the yam recipe them and the saltfish and ackee recipe and jackfruit and such they like. It's a whole heap of thing me liking it, Miss Grace. And me love the history. Lord, page 35. The third oldest person in the world is Jamaican. But see a lot, kuya poopa. What a nice thing we dip on the map with such a little bit of nation. We little but we talawa. I mean, love page 80. Why Jamaican run so fast? It just bring back so much memory. We used to run a school. We used to go Providence Primary. And just like you see in Bolt and everybody as well, run go school when I want late. And we run for miles and walk. And we run because we granny asked we go buy something at the store. We are run for many different reasons. While I run from trouble. Yes, my darling dear. Then on page 90, me love how you see in Bolt. He love him pork, him a ballad like me. He love him pork and him dumpling. Miss Grace, thank you. Thank you so much. You are a boonoonoonoos lady. I'm looking forward to doing all the recipe them and reading more of this book. God bless. Take care. Walk good.